click sign in. Then log into your YouTube account. So guys, once you're logged into your account, go to your avatar on the right side and click on the YouTube Studio. After that, go to Settings. And click on your channel. Alright guys, click channel and then after that, advanced settings. Choose the second option. After option selected, click save below. Now we go to upload default, then advanced settings. Scroll down to comments and choose the first option. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Then save. After settings, we go back to page and click videos to do the same. To enable comments on all the videos, we need to click videos and go to edit. Choose the comments, scroll down comments below. Then click comments. Choose hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Then go to update videos. After updating the videos, tick this box that you understand the implications of this action and we click update videos. And right now the videos are all being updated. And when it's done, comments should be enabled in our videos. Hope this worked for you to enable comments on your videos. It works for me. Hope you too guys. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.